How to fix my grammar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How to fix my grammar. This is one of the questions from Cordova 4. So the complete name, I used to talk on my way that was not totally wrong, but I'm not comfort and confident with my level now. So the question from Bilqis, Sigra, Milir. So let me try to answer this question. Grammar. If we learn any language, you will find grammar, structure, right? In this case, when we learn English, so you will speak better if you know the structure, which is grammar, right? So how to fix your grammar? So you need to know what is grammar, what is the structure. So in English, you know the three verb, right? Verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. So how do we know, or how do we understand that people are saying in the past form, in the past activity, or in the present activity, or in the future activity? You will need to know the verb, the action verb, right? So it's totally different with our language in Bahasa Indonesia. In Bahasa Indonesia, we don't have those three types of verbs, right? So if we compare with Bahasa Indonesia. And then if you already use English with the structure, so you need to learn more. Okay? So let me try to explain this in Bahasa Indonesia. Karena grammar ini tidak sama dengan bahasa Indonesia, makanya kita harus mengadjust, right? Mengadjust. Kalau kemarin saya baca buku, baca ya baca. Tapi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris, I read. I read a book. I read a book yesterday. Kemarin saya nulis artikel. I wrote an article yesterday. So it's different type. So how to fix it? Number one, you need to record. You need to record all your progress. Speaking, writing, write on the blog, write your daily activity in the blog, or you can record your voice, right? And then send it to your friend. Say you record that, and then after you record, and then you listen again. Oh, okay. So number two, you need to find a mentor. Why do I call this mentor? So it means someone who actually have a better English than you. So you can talk to Mr. Andika, or you can talk to Miss Sifa, or you can talk to Miss your English teacher partner. So they will give you a feedback. They will give you some positive feedback. Okay? So that's number two. Find a mentor. So number three, set your goal. So because you focus on the grammar, and then you already say that I used to talk on my way, so it means you already know the use of used to, but you're not doing it anymore. So you need to set a goal. Why do you want to have an English in your life? Why do you want to have a progress English? So why? So you set your goal. For example, if you want to have a TOEFL score, right, above 500, so you need to practice. You need to practice your speaking, you need to practice your writing. At the same time, you need to practice doing the questions of the TOEFL. Okay? If your goal want to have a scholarship, so it means you have a different goal, or you want to pass an interview, international interview, so you need to set that. You need to find some interview set and then find them as much as you can, do some research, and then practice again with your friend, with your mentor and everything, so you'll find a way to fix your grammar, so you can actually see your progress day by day, month by month. In the end, you will learn from your mistakes. Okay? In the end, you will learn from your mistakes. So that's how you fix your grammar. So every time you feel doubtful, okay, I think, is it true? And then you find some reference. Okay, what did you do? Is that correct? Or what do you do? So which one is correct? What will you do? So which one? So you need to do some research. You need to do some review, right? Some revision. So how you fix it? So that's how you fix your grammar. Okay. And then I'm not comfort and confident with my level. So confident. Speaking about confidence, if you know, you will feel more confidence. Alright? If you know the knowledge. So confidence is a combination between knowledge and experience. If I look at this from your question, you have the experience, but you haven't got the knowledge. So it means you need to improve your knowledge. Alright? Okay, let me say this in Bahasa Indonesia because your friend is watching this video also. Kalau kita merasa nggak pede ngomong bahasa Inggris, itu sebenarnya belum ketemu antara knowledge, pengetahuan bahasa Inggris, dan pengalaman. Ada orang yang dapat knowledge-nya dulu nih, knowledge, dia belajar bahasa Inggris, tapi dia belum punya pengalaman ngomong, prakteknya sedikit atau belum pernah ngajar. Nah, nggak pede juga. Tapi ada juga yang pengalamannya ngomong segala macam, tapi dia nggak pede karena knowledge-nya dia dapat itu dari pengalaman sama bule atau sama temennya, ya ngomong cas-cis aja, tapi secara grammar dia kurang paham atau belum tahu. Nah, di mana posisi Anda? Nah, supaya pede, maka ada penggabungan atau ketemu antara knowledge sama experience. Semua ilmu sih seperti itu, nah termasuk bahasa Inggris. Jadi kalau dari pertanyaan ini, silahkan kita belajar bahasa Inggris lagi, maka nanti dengan experience dia akan ketemu, itu akan buat kita nyaman dan pede ketika berbicara bahasa Inggris. Kalau salah-salah dikit, it's okay lah. It's okay. People make mistakes. The most important thing is makes progress. Okay? Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. Okay? I think that would be enough. Thank you very much. Good luck. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.